Today we're making sourdough calzones as a family, and we can't wait to share the fun with you. Let's get started. We begin by mixing our sourdough from scratch. It's a simple recipe that creates the perfect base for our calzones. Everyone gets involved in kneading the dough. This is where the magic starts, as we work together to create a smooth, elastic dough. After a few hours or overnight, if you prefer, the dough has risen beautifully, ready for us to create our calzones. Now we divide the dough and roll it into circles. It doesn't have to be perfect. This is all about having fun and working together. While the dough rests, we prepare the fillings. Italian sausage, pepperoni, mozzarella, and a little Parmesan cheese give these calzones a rich, savory flavor. This is everyone's favorite part, filling the calzones with all the tasty ingredients. You can personalize yours however you like. Once the filling is in, we fold the dough over and seal the edges. Pressing the edges with a fork makes sure everything stays inside while it bakes. A light brushing of olive oil helps the calzones bake up golden and crisp. Into the oven they go. In just 20 to 25 minutes, these will be beautifully golden and ready to eat. Dinner is served. We love sitting down together to enjoy the calzones we made as a family. And there you have it, delicious sourdough calzones filled with sausage, pepperoni, cheese, and onions. The perfect family meal made with love and enjoyed together. Thanks for joining us on this cooking adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun family recipes.